Hello everyone, this is Bhanu, co-founder of TeamGeeks. Please do visit us at cbsgeeks.org. In this tutorial, we are going to deal with the concept web services. And what we are going to do, we are creating a web service in an admin's environment and we will deploy and test it. After that, we will try to consume that particular web service on 3 different client machines. We'll choose the second tutorial. We are going to deal with the Java client machine and then servlet and then to the JSP. So what we do is we create a web service on a single platform. It's like many or web or Java application platform, and after that we are trying to consume that particular web service on 3 different machines. That's what the real definition of web service is. So let's start our first thing, creating and deploying a web service in NetBeans. Go to NetBeans. Nice, here is a NetBeans environment. Hope you guys are familiar with this, or else not, please do prefer my previous videos, or you can download the NetBeans IDE from NetBeans. Google it. It is a fast project. Go to web application, Java, click. Let us name it as web service demo app. We'll do like edition app. Click next, next, and finish. Okay, the project has created. Now our motive is to make a web service first, and then we should consume this particular website to different clients. So we want this particular project to create a web service. So right click on the project, go to new and select web service over here. So name it as my edition package, name it as com.gates, whatever you like with your domain name. Done. See here we get a web service chain with my edition. So we have two different perspectives, source and design. So go to design perspective, we can make our work much more easier than source. And the base by default we have a hello service, so remove it. So select on hello service and remove operation. Click this. Nice. So we're going to add another operation like addition. For addition the output must be integer, right? So press integer over here, hit enter. So java lang.integer, the return type will be an integer value for this. So now declare a variables over here, let it be a of type integer, another variable b of type again integer, hit ok. So that's great, we are ready with the two parameters a and b with with an integer data types. So now go to source, look at here, it returns a null value by default. Remove it, and our motive is addition, right? So int c is equal to a plus b, return the c value. Yes, so now we are done with the logical part of our web service, which takes a two parameters as an input and returns the sum of those two parameters and returns the value c. So now let us try to deploy this first and then we'll test it. So right click on it, deploy. Yes, the server is starting and service run deploy, still deploying. So okay, it is the first time, it takes a bit much time for server to start in the process. We should wait for some time. And once it has deployed, we're going to test on it. Yes, it's build successful. So now let's test it. So right click on this particular service and select test web service. We are done. That's great. So let us have a two integer values, let it be 12 and 12, and hit enter and see the output is 24. And you can see here the SOAP request and response, all the web service as we discussed before in our first session. SOAP request and SOAP response, all you know about the SOAP and XML importance in your web services. So here is a SOAP response. Just have a look at an XML format. See, we have the two variables a and b with the values 12 and 12. So after that, it gets communicated with the server and WSDL files and all this getting web service process. It returns the value in back is, see here is SOAP response 24. Hence we are done with a web service which takes the two integer values and returns the sum of its values. And now let us move to our second session, which consume this particular web service in a Java application. Thanks for here, and see you there at our second session, consuming a web service on Java client. Thank you, and please do visit us for further any technical tutorials, cvsgeeks.org and bhandugates.com. Thank you.